Good morning, students. Today we will discuss worksheet number 73, that is based on chemical reaction and equations. So, first of all, we know what is chemical reaction. It is a process in which new substances are formed with new properties by combination of two or more than two old substances. So, chemical reaction is the process in which new substance is formed by old substances. The new substance formed is known as product, and the old substance which combine together to form new substance is known as reactants. So, reactants are the substance which takes part in a chemical reaction, and product are the substance which are formed during a chemical reaction. For example, digestion of food, respiration, rusting of iron, burning of magnesium ribbon, formation of curd. These are example of chemical reactions. These are example of chemical reactions. Now we come to the chemical equation. What is chemical equation? This is a way of representation of chemical reaction. So this is representing chemical reaction using symbol of elements or chemical formula of reactants and products. So if we have any reactions taking place, how we will represent that the reaction is taking place. This is the reaction, this is the reactant, these are the product. So equation is the way of representation of the reactant, product, and the whole chemical reaction which is taking place. And we represent the reactant and product by symbols of elements and the formula of molecules, like burning of magnesium ribbon. So magnesium ribbon, when burned, it produces magnesium oxide. So magnesium and oxygen are the reactant, and they produce magnesium oxide after burning is the product. So in the reaction we represent magnesium plus oxygen, this will give, and the product is represented by the arrow. The left hand side is the reactant and the right hand side is the product. So magnesium plus oxygen are the reactant and the magnesium oxide, MgO, is the product. Now we comes to the indicators of chemical reaction. How we come to know that the reaction is taking place? If the reaction is taking place, then there will be change in some features, some characteristics of the reactant or the content in which the reaction is taking place. So these changes are change in state, like solid, liquid, gas. Liquid becomes solid, solid becomes liquid, liquid becomes gas, gas becomes liquid. So these state changes will take place in a reaction. Change of color, like when copper sulfate reacts with iron, the blue color of the copper sulfate disappear. So this is change taking place in color of a reaction. Smell, if some new substance form, the smell will come from that new substance, new product. Change in temperature, if heat is produced in the completion of reaction, the temperature will rise of the solution. If any gas is producing, the gas will evolve. So these are the certain indicators. By observing them, we can say that the reaction is taking place. So now comes balancing of chemical equation. Balancing of chemical equation is the equalizing number of atoms on both sides of the arrow, on left hand side and right hand side, is known as balancing of chemical reaction. Like we have hydrolysis of iron, oxide of iron is forming. when iron reacts with water molecule. So we'll balance this reaction. Hydrogen is produced during this reaction. Iron and water molecule combine together to produce Fe3O4. Ferric oxide plus hydrogen is released. So we'll balance here. To balance Fe3O4, here we have 3 atoms of iron. So we'll multiply on left hand side iron, in the reactant side we will multiply iron with 3. So number of atoms on right hand side and left hand side will be equal. Now comes to the oxygen. We have 4 atom of oxygen. So in reactant we have water have only one oxygen atom. If we multiply this water molecule by 4, then we will have 4 atom of oxygen on left hand side and 4 atom of oxygen on right hand side. So oxygen will be balanced. Now comes hydrogen. Now hydrogen is left. To balance the hydrogen added to the right hand side, 4s2. So hydrogen will be balanced. So this is way, in this way, chemical reaction is balanced. Balancing is the phenomena in which we equalize the number of atoms on both sides, on the reactant side as well as on product side. But there is no change in chemical formula takes place. Change in chemical formula will be remain intact. We cannot change the chemical formula of any substance. Like Fe3O4 is forming, so we cannot change the formula of Fe3O4. We cannot make it Fe2O3 to balance the chemical reaction. The balancing of chemical reaction is meaningful only when the formula of chemical compounds remain intact. So we will try to answer these questions on the basis of this discussion. Identify the chemical change, melting of ice or conversion of milk into curd. So chemical change, what is chemical change? When melting of ice is taking place. Melting of ice is taking place means water is in solid form when it is in ice, and it is melting to the liquid. So there is no chemical change is taking place. Only state change is taking place. State of water from solid to liquid is changing, but there is no change of chemical composition of water. But during conversion of milk into curd, there is a chemical change taking place. Comes to the second question. Write down the balanced chemical equation for each of the following. Silver chloride is decomposed in presence of sunlight to give silver and chlorine gas. You will write the answer of this question by yourself. Calcium oxide reacts with water to give lime water. You will find out the reaction into your book and write down here. Sodium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to give sodium chloride and water. You will find out this equation in the book and you will write here. Then similarly you will do this question on E part. Then comes to F part. Zinc react with nitrate to provide nitrate and silver. This is also a simple question you will find in the book. Potassium iodide reacts with lead nitrate to produce potassium nitrate and lead iodide. Similarly, you will find out the question, the reaction in the book and write down here. Now comes to the third question. Gives a balanced chemical equation for each of the following. Chemical reaction showing evolution of a gas. Any reaction which evolve gas, you have to write. You will see, you will have example in this worksheet also, like Fe reacting with water molecule to give ferric oxide and hydrogen. So the hydrogen gas is evolving in this. And another example is very simple example, like oxidation of carbon plus oxygen. This will give carbon dioxide. Or reaction of respiration. Glucose molecule is breaking down into carbon dioxide and water molecule. So they will evolve gas. Change in substance color during a chemical reaction. I already told you example. When iron is react with copper sulfate have a violet color, But when iron reacts with sulfate, copper is displaced from there, and a reaction taking place where copper comes into solution, and the new product formed is ferrous sulfate or iron sulfate. So iron sulfate have a different color, so the color will be changed. Chemical reaction showing change in temperature. This is very good example. Calcium oxide, when react with water, it gives calcium hydroxide, and this produce very huge amount of temperature, huge amount of energy. This is exothermic reaction, and due to this temperature changes. Okay. Another example is reaction of metal and salt, metal and acid. This also give a huge amount of energy and temperature changes. So you try to answer these questions and send to me. Thank you.